Okay, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to train a berserker in Wolf Clan. Let's pick one peasant as usual, then enter him here in the ballistics grounds. This ballistics grounds trains units or troops who are long ranged. It trains archers, hurlers, I swear. After that, let's enter here and enter it here in Quarry. Okay, so we train the pitchlinger. This Quarry pala, it trains units that are effective against destroying buildings and structures. So like this one, pitchlinger, sila yung naghahagis ng mga apoy sa mga structures, then kumakalat yun. Okay, after that, let's enter it here. Okay, there. We already have a berserker. So this is the highest tier of troop in Wolf Clan. So its damage kasi is cutting. So it resists cutting and explosive damage. So malakas siya kapag kakalaban niya is cutting type and explosive type of troop. Then mahina siya pag kalaban niya is blood type or magical type of troop. So, that's it.